Hello everyone, good morning. I am Dr. Shrikant Appasani, consultant gastroenterologist, KIMS Hospital. Today we will be discussing about a special type of scope known as cholangioscope, which is used in the treatment of bile duct and pancreatic diseases. Cholangioscope is a very thin baby scope. It is a small scope which goes through our traditional endoscopes. We all know what endoscopy is. It's a pipe with a camera which goes through the mouth or through the anal canal and sees what is there inside the intestine. Now, cholangioscope is another such small scope which goes through this endoscope and enters small ducts of the body like the bile duct and the pancreatic duct and does treatment within the duct. It is useful, cholangioscopy is useful in treatment of biliary and pancreatic diseases. A large bile duct stone which cannot be removed through the traditional routes is one of the common indications for usage of a cholangioscope. It is a stone which is there in the bile duct, which is a connection between the liver and the intestine, which is probably very large and cannot be removed directly. Such patients used to go for surgery and opening up of the bile duct or a laparoscopic exploration of the bile duct and removal of the stones. Now, with the availability of this small baby scope, we can go up to the stone, blast it with the help of special instruments and then remove the stone pieces out. Also, it is useful in treatment of and diagnosis of the bile duct strictures. There are some conditions where the bile duct becomes tight. It may be because of a cancer or it may be because of other issues. Previously, we never used to get a chance to go and take a biopsy from that. Now with this cholangioscope, you can go till this bile duct stricture, wherever the narrowing is there, take a biopsy and then put a stent and come out. It is also useful in treatment of similar conditions in the pancreas, where you can go into the pancreatic duct and do some treatment options there. Now, we also have some problems of the previous treatment options, like there used to be bile duct stents which were placed. Suppose if the patient has forgotten and a part of the stent gets retained inside the liver and has forgotten to get it removed, then these get stuck within the liver. Normally we will not be able to remove them and the surgery might be needed. Now with this cholangioscope, you can go until the small duct inside, put a special forceps or a snare and then pull that broken stent or the misplaced stent out. So a retained stent inside the body within the liver or pancreas can be removed with this cholangioscope easily. It's a good question. We have the traditional ERCP, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, ERCP, which is the standard treatment for all bile duct problems and pancreatic problems. Here we put a wire into the bile duct and put some contrast and check it on the X-ray, that is a fluoroscope machine, and we do the treatment. Here we do not see what is happening inside the bile duct directly. We only see a photograph, that is an X-ray film, and then we try to treat it. So it's an indirect treatment option which was used for these diseases. Now with this cholangioscope, you can directly go into the bile duct, see what is there. Previously, if a stone was there, we used to see that the contrast was there, in one area the contrast was not seen. So we used to assume that yes, there is a stone there. Now you can go inside the bile duct, see the stone totally, and if it is very large, blast it with special lithotripsy machines, then remove the particles and then place a stent. The same thing, if a stent got migrated inside, an old plastic stent got migrated inside, we used to try to blindly retrieve them, that is put balloons, snares, baskets and then try to blindly pull them out. Now with this cholangioscope, you can go inside the smaller ducts, put a special snare or biopsy, directly under vision you can remove it. The same thing holds good for pancreatic diseases also, where the treatment was indirect through the ERCP. We can use this cholangioscope as a pancreaticoscope and then go into the pancreatic duct and do some treatment for them. Now, prior to this cholangioscope and pancreatoscope availability, these patients whom we could not treat through the traditional ERCP used to undergo surgeries. For example, large bile duct stone more than 2 centimeters. If we were not able to blast it or crush it or remove it, it used to go to the surgeon where they used to do either a laparoscopic or an open bile duct opening exploration and then remove the stone. Now, the advantage with this cholangioscopy is that you can go and blast the stone directly under vision and remove all the particles, thereby avoiding a surgery. So here, most of these conditions we are able to avoid a surgery by using these baby scopes known as cholangioscopes.